The Columbia Water Center is working in Brazil with the project funded by the PepsiCo Foundation to provide access to safe water and to improve the efficiency of water use. The infrastructure project is located in the state of Ceará in a semi-arid region of northeastern Brazil where many rural households have no running water. The first goal was to provide water supply to selected rural communities.
Como ontem aquela senhora quando fala em mareja os olhos, né? Se emociona, que realmente quem não tem é uma mudança muito significativa, muito forte na vida das pessoas, o acesso à água.
Project staff originally did a diagnostic study of 5 municipalities in the region before deciding to focus on Milhã.
E em Milhã identificamos um problema de carência de água. Praticamente todo município fica na dependência do carro-pipa, do caminhão-pipa, que é um caminhão que abastece as comunidades nos períodos de estiagem mais críticos. E esse caminhão abasteceu inclusive a sede do município no ano 2000.
After really looking at the issues within Milhã, they narrowed it down more to 2 communities, Ingá and Pedra Fina.
In Pedra Fina, Ingá, we go more in deep and start to discuss and talk with the community what kind of the solution we have.
In Ingá, no one had access to water, and it was going to be necessary to start completely from scratch. People were having to walk kilometers every day to get water from ponds, wells, or from a tank truck that delivered to the community during the dry season.
Mas no passado, atrás pouquinho, era tudo através de vasilhame, de latas, né? Depois passou a ser através de animais, né? Trazendo nos reservatórios pequenos, que desse para trazer animal, né?
So the Columbia Water Center project built a whole new water delivery system, drawing on a lake with water all year. The pump in the reservoir moves the water to a new tower. From the tower, piping was laid to supply 13 homes. In Pedra Fina, part of the community already had water. Another project had begun 3 years before but was never finished. Some of the residents didn't know if the Columbia project would be more of the same.
Aí já dava para saber, será que vem? Será que não? Será que é viável? Será que não? Pegou a maioria de surpresa, porque foi rápido.
Now, all the residents of Pedra Fina have running water to their homes.
No dia que instalaram, a senhora ficou muito feliz?
Demais. O menino foi pra rua com o braço, vamos ver se soltar. Ele soltar a bomba aqui, né? Soltava, né?
The time spent getting to know the people and the communities was as important to the success of the project as the engineering was. At the same time as the initial community studies were going on, another part of the project was also under development, the Municipal Water Plan, or PAM.
We need to have the big picture of the municipality and analyze the solution we have.
The PAM contains a detailed inventory and analysis of water access potential for each community in the municipality. Another part of the project is a manual on how to build small rural water projects.
And the manual describes each one of the technology for a small community, how you create the dimensions and make the design of this infrastructure.
The final component of the project is the information system, which compiles the research into a database format. The larger goal of the program is to produce tools that can be adapted and used by others to serve even more people. That goal is being met as the local and state governments use the Water Management Plan, Manual, and Information System to bring water to more people in Milhã and the state of Ceará.
Nós vamos fechar, se Deus quiser, 100% da água. Então são projetos, se Deus quiser, nesses últimos 2 anos mesmo. Eu acredito que com o apoio da universidade a gente tem como chegar a essa meta que é o nosso sonho, criar o nosso PAN, né, que é o projeto de água no município, e a gente pegar isso, se Deus quiser, fechar.
Because the idea of the PAN, we can looking for some universalize the water supply
Everybody
have water. And the governor, he talk about to support to implement this kind of the universalize in Milhã, because they have one funding to supply small community. Then the state will pay.
Secretaria da Agricultura, eles estão extremamente interessados na publicação desse manual. de um manual desse tipo, a nível de Brasil, é uma coisa completamente inédita. Não existe uma publicação como essa no Brasil.
So the impact of this project goes far beyond bringing running water to a few families. It is part of changing the lives of people throughout northeastern Brazil.